Hello, everyone. My name is Teacher Trisha. I've been teaching English for 3 years. In my previous role, I've had the opportunity to work with students of all ages. Confidence is one of the most important factors in communication. So I want to help my students build their personal confidence when it comes to speaking English. My teaching styles are very dynamic. My classes are always fun, creative, and interesting. I want my student to be relaxed so that we can do a lot of ESL activities. I specialize vocabulary, pronunciation, helping students improve their listening and communication skills. In my class, you have nothing to worry about your committed mistakes because that is a part of learning. So that is all about me, and I would be glad to have you in my class. Thank you.